Hey guys, let me show you how to replace a drum unit on a Brother printer. Specifically, this is the Brother MFC-L2750DW printer, which uses DR-730 drum unit. So your printer can be on. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open the front cover and just go ahead and pull right over here. Let me just put this back. So you're going to pull right here towards you, straight out. Let it slide out gently, and then this is where this whole unit is the drum, and it holds your cartridge. So that's something that you pull out every time you remove or replace the toner cartridge. Now what you're going to do is safely place it somewhere. So you can just press this button, or this tab, sorry, and you're going to lift the toner out of the drum unit and place this on the table. Make sure you do not touch this front area, that's the toner itself. Now, this is the drum unit. If yours is really bad, if it has a lot of lines on here, it's a good time to replace it. And also there's a life counter on the printer that needs to be reset after you replace the drum unit. Go ahead and unpackage the new drum. So remove any packaging that is on it. First, the plastic bag that it's in, and then it's going to have some orange stuff around here, and remove those. You will also pull the drum cover right here on most models, including the Genuine Brother brand. There are also lots of aftermarket brands that are available for a much cheaper price, and I'll put the links down in the description below of the ones that I use that I really like, and they cost about 1/3 of what this would cost. And important step is to make sure this arrow tab is facing the other arrow right here. So sometimes it could move while being shipped, so you just go ahead and place it there, and you're ready to put the toner cartridge in here now. So the same toner cartridge that you used before, you're just going to go ahead and slide it into place and lock it like that. You can double check that it's sitting properly. Do not touch this area, and I do recommend using gloves. I'm not, but that's something that should be considered. So now go ahead and slide it in to the printer. Make sure it's fully in there, and close the cover. One of the things that we may run into sometimes with the Brother printers, if you cannot pull this drum out when you're trying to replace the cartridge or the drum, most likely this is not latched in place. So make sure this arm right here comes in and out as you open the door and close it. After you replace it, go ahead and close the door. And now we need to reset the counter, because if you had the message on the screen that said that the drum life ended, you need to reset it. And sometimes even if you feel like the drum is still doing a good job and you need to reset the drum rather than replacing it, you can also do this. So the toner button right here, if you press that, it'll just give you these options. So let's go back. We need to press and hold that button. So kind of hold your finger in the very corner for about 5 seconds, and you're going to see this screen. I just reset it in a different video. So it's at 100% now. And if yours says, 0% or less than that, or like less than 100, you can just reset it. And then you're going to say yes to reset the drum. And that's how easy it is to do. And then you go to the home screen and you're ready to print more. So check out the links down in the description below. Check out my other content on this particular printer brand and other printers. Hopefully it's entertaining or helpful for you. Please don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and have yourself a great day.